Hi there, students. Hubbub. Hubbub. Hubbub is a noun. Let's see, you know when you go into a place, into a room, and there are lots and lots and lots of people, and maybe they're all talking loudly and doing different things. That loud background noise is a hubbub. I couldn't hear what he was saying above the hubbub of everything that was going on in the room. They were making announcements in the train station, but I found it difficult to hear them above the hubbub, all the different things going on. Yeah? So, a hubbub, a mixture of confusing noises produced by busy activity or confused excitement. At school, between periods, there's a great hubbub when the kids are all charging from one class to another and talking and messing around and doing their thing on their way to their next class. Well, this is the idea of hubbub: noise, uproar. But then we can also use it metaphorically, meaning a lot of excitement. So there was a lot of hubbub about the government announcement that had been made. Yeah, lots of people were not happy about it. Other people thought that it was really good. Okay, so there has been an enormous hubbub about this latest scandal. Yeah, there was some hubbub about the referee's decision. Okay, so hubbub, either noise, excited noise. There was a lot of hubbub in the airport, or there was a hubbub about what I had done during the class. Okay, so yeah, maybe a hullabaloo, a ballyhoo. I think both of these, though, are louder. Yeah, if there's a hullabaloo, there's a very people are very upset. Whereas a hubbub, there's talking. Yeah, there's a bit of confusion, but it's not nearly as strong. Okay, there was a lot of hubbub in the press about whether this was the best way to proceed or not. So, a hubbub, a loud, confusing noise. I couldn't make myself heard. I couldn't get people to hear me above the hubbub of the crowd. And then, metaphorically, figuratively, a confused situation, a tumult. So, after a week's peaceful holiday in the countryside, I returned to the hubbub of the city. Yeah, the uproar, people charging around, cars and their horns going. So hubbub, really a bit of disorder. Yeah, a brouhaha or uproar. Okay, so yes, there was a hubbub about the result of the American elections. Yeah, and the hubbub, noise. So the hubbub of voices, the hubbub of people talking about what was happening. Okay, so a confused uproar, a racket, a tumult, people making lots of noise, a racket, pandemonium, hurly-burly, the hustle and bustle, something like that. Okay, so how formal is this word hubbub? I think I would give it a 4.5 in formality. I think it's particularly suitable for informal conversations. I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing, but I'm not sure it has the right tone for a very formal writing. And then as to origin, well, I see that they say perhaps it comes from Irish, from the word ababu or abu, which is a battle cry. Come on, guys, charge. Or the Gaelic word ub expressing contempt or disgust. But I also get the feeling it sounds like onomatopoeia. If you go into a room and there are lots of people talking, hubbub, 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 and I get the feeling there's a lot of onomatopoeia. Sounds like the meaning to it as well. Okay, so hubbub. There was a lot of hubbub in class when the teacher said they were going to have an exam about everything they'd done. So hubbub, loud background noise or confusion, uproar, upset people, people not exactly happy about a situation, arguing, or maybe a lot of excitement. There was a lot of hubbub in the office as we tried to get the order finished on time. So yeah, people charging here and there as well. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hubbub. I hope there's a hubbub in the comment section of this video.